I'm Jeff Reynolds with Keller Williams Real Estate, and I'm here to share with you guys a great project that I was blessed to be a part of. It is the venue at Shadow Rock. And whenever I first saw this property, it was a 7,200 square foot old VFW building that had a lot of deferred maintenance. And I'm excited to share with you guys the changes that have happened right here. First of all, we have this great entrance that as you walk in the door, you're able to go into the main ceremony room that seats 175 people. And we're going to take a look at the rest of this property. We are downstairs in this huge reception area that is 3,000 square feet and seats 175 people. Lots of access outside where there's fire pits, lots of other seating, and also opportunities for photo shoots. Vintage Paris oftentimes comes here. They're a preferred vendor with the venue at Shadow Rock, and I've seen them set up here with their premier coffees. So we're in here in the groom suite where there's lots of space, and they built this for guys. So we got records over here. You can play foosball, you can horse around, you can relax. There's a bathroom back here to get prepped. And if you want to get pumped up before you go out there, we even got a pull-up bar. Let's see how many I can do. We'll do a contest. 20. How many can you do? So whether you're having a corporate event, a large party, or your dream wedding, the venue at Shadow Rock is your place to be. I'm Jeff Reynolds with Keller Williams Real Estate, helping you move forward.